Article 1558, the vendor shall not be obliged to make good proper warranty unless he is summoned in the suit for eviction at the instance of the vendee. So before the vendor may be legally liable for warranty, uh, he must be summoned first in the suit for eviction at the instance of the vendee. This means that the vendor should be made the third party of the suit, either by the way of asking the vendee to be made co-defendant, or filing a third party complaint against the vendor. So the statement is saying that the vendor will only be required to honor their warranty or take responsibility of any issues with the property of if the buyer is actively involved in a legal eviction process against them. So essentially, unless the buyer takes legal action regarding eviction, the vendor has no obligation to address warranty claim. So if there is no, if the vendor don't have any complaints and any complaints to the vendor, so the vendor should not take any action. So it's just be like that. Thank you.